The common man's viewpoint: majority of people of Pakistan are against the construction Kalabagh Dam, as its construction can prove a danger to sustain the unification of provinces under the name Pakistan. The only people who want the construction of Kalabagh Dam can be classified into two groups. The first is the high-ranked officers of Pakistan Army, who will be granted farmlands to be irrigated by Kalabagh Dam after the retirements. In fact, these are the most powerful supporters of Dam. The second group is the political leaders of Punjab, since the issue has turned out to be a war between Sindh and Punjab, so by favoring the construction of Dam, Punjabi politicians can maintain their vote bank. The only reason why President Pervez Musharraf favors Kalabagh Dam is because he needs the support of Punjab to sustain his dictatorship in the country. All the oppressed provinces, Sindh, NWFP, and Balochistan, of the country has already expressed a huge concern over the construction of dam, especially in Sindh where every single street has observed the protest against the dam. The people of these oppressed provinces do not believe in any guarantee from Punjab's Pakistani government, as it has already done many decisions against the constitution/treaties, for example, the regulation of water in Chashma Jhelum Link Canal analysis. Most independent analysts believe that the foremost problem with the proposed dam at Kalabagh is one of a trust deficit between the Punjab on one side and the other three provinces on the other. The noted columnist, Ayaz Amir, suggested that the people of Punjab should redefine their assumptions about the rest of Pakistan and distribution of resources. A layman of Punjab does not understand why the rest of Pakistan does not trust Punjab. The answer, according to Amir, lies in the frequent coups staged by the Pakistan Army, which is overwhelmingly Punjabi in its composition, as well as the Army's extra-constitutional intervention and inability to trust the Punjab. All Pakistanis agree that Pakistan faces a severe water shortage, and that some form of water management must be implemented soon. Many point out that even if work on Kalabagh were to start tomorrow, it would still take at least 8 years to complete and commission such a large dam. In the meantime, the water situation would continue to worsen. Smaller dams, barrages, and canals must be built before that, and water conservation techniques introduced. The WAPDA for years repeatedly changed its statistics on the dam, to the point where no one in Pakistan now believes any of its figures. Government of Pakistan formed a technical committee, headed by A.N.G. Abbasi, to study the technical merits of the Kalabagh Dam vis-a-vis the other two. The 4-volume technical report concluded that Basha or Katsara Dam should be built before Kalabagh, further complicating matters. To make matters even more complex, the report also stated that Kalabagh and Basha dams could be considered feasible. The abrupt way in which President General Musharraf announced the decision to build the dam, simply overruling the objections of the smaller states, has sharply polarized public opinion. In Punjab the view is one of, it's high time, while in the other states, especially Sindh, the reaction has been one of, over my dead body. The fact that the general literally dragged so controversial an issue off the back burner and thrust it into national center stage without considering the predictable reactions from the smaller provinces has left many aghast. Much has been said in the press, and the issue is still far from being resolved.